हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम हमारा चैप्टर 2 क्लास 9th इकोनॉमिक्स का हमारा पार्ट 3 करेंगे। जो हमें पार्ट 1 और 2 में हमने एमसीक्यूज और शॉर्ट आंसर्स किए थे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के, और इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे लॉन्ग आंसर्स यानी 5 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चन। तो चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से शुरू करते हैं। ये कह रहा है in what way is human capital superior to other sources like physical capital? How a large population is turned into a productive asset? Explain. Answer: human capital is superior to other sources like physical capital as it can make use of other resources like land and physical capital. Human capital can develop land and physical capital according to his skill and education because they could not develop on their own. देखो, ये इसलिए ज़रूरी है ह्यूमन कैपिटल क्योंकि जो हमारे रिसोर्सेज होते हैं ना, जैसे फिजिकल रिसोर्सेज, तो वो अपने आप यूज़ नहीं हो सकते, हम ह्यूमन ही जो है उसको यूज़ करते हैं। अ लार्ज पॉपुलेशन इज टर्न इनटू अ प्रोडक्टिव एसेट बाय द फॉलोइंग वेज। मतलब हम उनको एसेट इतने तरीक़ों से बनाते हैं। फर्स्ट, प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन डेवलपिंग स्किल्स। सेकंड, emphasize on academic and vocational accept of students, making available opportunities accessible to large section of people like technology known how. अब second question, describe the employment scenario in the three sectors of the economy in India in recent years. Answer: एग्रीकल्चर इज़ द मोस्ट लेबर एब्जॉर्बिंग सेक्टर। ये एब्जॉर्बिंग और सेक्टर दो बार ही आ गया, एब्जॉर्बिंग और सेक्टर भी। एब्जॉर्बिंग सेक्टर ऑफ द इकोनॉमी। इन रिसेंट ईयर्स देयर हैज़ बीन अ डिक्लाइन इन द dependence of population on agriculture partially because of distinguished employment. Third, some of the surplus labor in agriculture has moved to secondary or tertiary sectors. Small scale manufacturing is the most labor absorbing sector in the secondary sector. Fourth point, the tertiary sector has seen a remarkable improvement in its employment in recent years. Fifth, in this sector, various new services are now appearing, such as biotechnology, information technology, and so on. Third question, मैं ये इसको इनको हटाता हूँ, ये देखो। थर्ड, एनालाइज द रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन। आंसर: द रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन इन ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन इज एज फॉलो। फर्स्ट, educated people earn more than the uneducated people. Second, literate population is an asset to an economy. Third, it leads to higher productivity. Fourth, it opens new avenues for a person. Fifth, it provides new aspirants and develop value of life if it contributes to the growth of society. ये if नहीं आएगा, ये गलत है, it आएगा। Sixth, it enhances the national income, cultural richness and the efficiency of the governance. Fourth question, describe 5 main features of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Answer: the 5 main features of the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan are: first, it is a significant step towards providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 16 to 14 years. Second, it is a time-bound initiative of the central government in partnership with the state, the local government and the community for attaining the goal of universalization of elementary education. Third, in this, bridge courses and back to school camps have been introduced to increase the enrollment in elementary education. Fourth, midday meal scheme has been introduced to encourage attendance in school and increase their nutrition status. Fifth, these type of policies of the government could add to the literate minds and further the economic development. Fifth question, describe the policy of the government on higher education as per 12th 5-year plan. So answer: The policy of the Indian government under the 12th five-year plan is as follow. First, it focuses on improving the education sector. Second, it focuses on increasing access, quality, and adoption of state-specific curriculum, modification, vocalization, and networking on the use of information technology. Third, it focuses on distance education, convergence of formal and non-formal distance and IT education institution. Fourth, it aims at reducing gender gaps in literacy and to increase the literacy rate within the time period. Fifth, it aims at increasing the enrollment in higher education of 18 to 23 years ago to 25.2% by 2017-18 and to reach the target of 30% by 2020-21. Sixth question. Why will a firm not like to employ a worker with ill health? मतलब ill health मतलब ये कंपनी है, फिल्म कंपनी. How does it affect the working environment? Answer. A firm will not like to employ an unhealthy worker because first, an unhealthy worker will not be able to contribute to the overall productivity of an organization. Second, an unhealthy worker is a liability rather than an asset for an organization. Third, an unhealthy worker cannot contribute to the growth of the organization. Fourth, an unhealthy worker does not work regularly and remains on leave due to sickness. Fifth, it creates a gloomy atmosphere in the surroundings. And seventh question. Describe different types of unemployment found in India. Answer. The different types of employment found in India are first, disguised employment. This is the phenomena where too many workers are working in a specific job. It happens in small agriculture farm where the whole family is working on the same farm, but so many workers are not required to cultivate the farm efficiently. Second, seasonal unemployment. It occurs when workers can find work in a specific season. For example, agriculture workers may find work only during busy agriculture season when sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing are done. Third, educated unemployment. This type of unemployment is common in urban areas. There is unemployment among the educated and technically skilled worker because they are not able to find the jobs of themselves. Eighth आंसर, ये हमारा लास्ट आंसर है. Explain any 5 effects of unemployment on the overall growth of the economy. Answer. The 5 effects of unemployment on the overall growth of the economy are: first, it leads to wastage of manpower resources. Second, the people who are an asset became a liability. Third, it creates a feeling of hopelessness and despair among the youth people. Fourth, it increases economic overload like that the dependency of unemployment on the working population. Fifth, the quality of life of an individual get affected. तो स्टूडेंट इसी के साथ हमने हमारा चैप्टर 2 के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का पार्ट 3 भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर देना और वीडियो को लाइक कर देना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.